steps to activate and deliver devices with Hik-Partner Pro. Connecting devices is crucial for any security system, but it doesn't have to be complicated with multiple tools such as a laptop, monitor, SADP, and NVR GUI. With Hik-Partner Pro, installers like you can enjoy a simplified setup process. Device initiation is now just a 3-step process. Follow along and see how easy it can be. First, enable a Wi-Fi connection and open Hik-Partner Pro. A list of devices will pop up on your phone. Second, tap Activate to start the auto-activation process. Basic settings and camera channels assignments will be completed automatically. Finally, you can continue to add devices to Hik-Partner Pro for easy management, including remote maintenance, configuration, and device health monitoring. You can also deliver the devices to customers via this app. Hik-Partner Pro enables face-to-face devices delivery with customizable permissions on device operations. Customers just scan your QR code to gain and maintain complete control of devices. And that's it. More easy-to-use functions are available when you connect devices online. Make device connection, activation, and management easier with Hik-Partner Pro. Get started today. Hik-Partner Pro, Security Business Assistant, at your fingertips.